my friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. We have a beautiful sun right on our set here. Welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is by request, another more advanced yoga flow for athletes of all kinds and fitness levels. Definitely moving a lot. You'll experience some new flows in this because our goal, as always, is to disrupt the status quo of our bodies, teach it to move better with more precision, move stronger, more endurance, more flexibility. And I pretty much guarantee that these yoga workouts will enhance your physical and mental performance in every sport. Please check in below and let me know which sport or sports you my friend, you are training for. We're red hot right now. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's start with a couple vinyasa flows. Shoulders back and down. Working with the utmost precision and strength. Sink the heels back. Let's walk the legs. Warm up the backs of the knees. I have to itch my nose here. There we go. That was an athletic itch. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Get some pliability in the body. Wake it up. Youthen it so you can respond to any challenge that comes your way as an athlete. Any challenge. All right. Now inhale. Forward to plank. Hands are on the shoulders. Elbows in. Press forward. Lower down. This is called chaturanga or a hover. All the way down to the mat. Tops of the feet. Inhale. Lift. Cobra. Elbows into the ribs. Opening up the abdominals and the back. Exhale. Stretch back down. Feel the length through the spine. Press up to plank and then downward facing dog. Let's do that again. Let's put it together. Inhale. Exhale. How in control are you? Cobra or upward facing dog? There's the sun. Exhale, right back to downward facing dog. Now, left foot, bring it up nice and tall. Press into the palms. Press into your right heel. Stretch out the spine. Long spine. Open up the back. One more breath. Left foot forward. We have a lunge, and we're going to turn this into an eagle lunge. Left arm forward. Right arm's going to go underneath. Wrap around. Fists or hands together, exploding the upper back. Now, inhale, lift. Exhale, pull into the center. Stretch out the back. Inhale, up. Exhale, pull. Press the right heel down. 2 more times. One of my staples here, the eagle lunge. Your voice changes when you do it. All right, bring the hand down. We open up into the extended warrior. Lengthen that back leg. This shoulder is back. This arm is lengthened to open up the sides. One more breath. All right, vinyasa flow. Step to plank or kick the leg up, but always controlled. And downward facing dog. Right leg lifts. Lengthen. Expansion always. Expand the mental and the physical. There are no walls here, no barriers in our practice. All right, right foot forward. Lunge. No. Right arm, left arm underneath, and we have eagle. 4 pulses here. Inhale up, exhale, pull in. Really sharpen your focus. Oh yes. Really bend that front leg. There we go. One more time. Right shoulder getting a stretch. Now open up. Extended warrior. 2 more breaths. Good. The whole body's working here. Let it shake. Let it get excited. Vinyasa flow. Leg up. Down. Down. Right here. Commanding that movement. Squeeze the glutes. Exhale. Down dog. Now bring the forearms down. Let me entertain you. Let me introduce you to the dolphin push-up. Let's do 4 of these. Here's dolphin. Sink the heels back, take a breath. Bring the hands slightly apart. Now inhale forward, and then lift up. So there's the up dog with the toes curled back down to hover. Dolphin. That's quite an adventure. Let's do 3 more. Forward, lift, down, back. 2 more. Just a walk in the park, Kazansky. Tell you what, stay in dolphin or do 1 more for extra credit. Let's slow it down. Lift. Exhaust the shoulders and tricep. Down and then back to dolphin. Take 3 breaths right here. Sink the heels down. Stretch the back and shoulders. Forgive my moaning. That's authentic Sean Vigue Fitness moaning. All right, back to down dog. Woo! Bring that left foot forward. Give me that extended warrior again. We're gonna do a little back and forth here. See how you can switch. So we're gonna inhale and exhale. Taught this in one of my live classes this morning. It's actually, I like it better on a hardwood floor, but we make it work. Inhale, switch the feet, stretch. How well can you transition from moment to moment, movement to movement, at the snap of the fingers? Good. Stretch. 1 more time, each side. Reach. Beautiful. Reach, step back. Down dog, wide stance. A nice replay here. Stretch it out, stretch out the spine. And you have the option to do a twist. But first, get the pine needles out of there. So exhale, reach, lengthen that front arm, twist. Oh, everything's going back into place where it needs to go. All right, I'm gonna do 6 more. I mean, we don't just do a little bit of flexibility and mobility training. We do gobs of it. As my mom would say, tons. She uses tons, that's her favorite adjective. Everything's tons. All right, hands forward, stretch. Low, what am I saying? 3 words just went together. Lengthen that spine. Catch yourself, don't face plant. All right. Plank position, vinyasa flow. Lift. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring the left foot forward. Let's see how we do here. All right, come to a little catcher squat. Toes on the diagonal, forearms down or come all the way down. We're gonna go from here to a modified half Russian. So what happens? We rise up, take the hand under the leg, and there we go. We're gonna go back and forth. A little wobbly, let's smooth that out. A lot of balance. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Smooth it out. We still there? Now if you want to do the full half Russian, you come down, grab the outside of the foot, extend, drop. Maybe you're not there yet. As you see, I'm a little wobbly, but in real time, we correct, we improve. Always in real time, stronger with every breath and with more practice. I'm gonna do it once more on each side. And then clap the hands, come down to the squat. Okay, little twist back and forth, open up the knees. Oh, I wrote down so much. So little time for all our fun, isn't there? There's always more though. Make sure you're subscribed. Don't miss any of these workouts. All right, moving into some airplanes. Downward facing dog. Take a couple breaths, stretch it out. Just because we do a, quote, more advanced kind of workout. Doesn't mean we speed through it. We want to cultivate it. All right, left foot forward. Here's the warrior position. Arms here, or slipped the left arm underneath. We have a warrior. Now, hands down, switch. Either position. You can be standing tall or bring the arm underneath. I'm gonna just keep going right here. It's gonna be an optional jump switch add-on in a moment. How's that feel? How you doing? We're so bendy, we don't even know it. You're so money, you don't even know it. All right, now the jump switch, we do this. Boom, shoom. Sound effects, optional. If your back is not flexible, your sports, your performance will suffer in many ways. Let's do 2 more. All right, step back plank, bend the knees. Squat, stretch the back. Now inhale forward and down. Woo. Cobra or up dog. Down dog. Stretch it out. Little side to side here. So much of this, when I work with athletes, when I train athletes, is loosening up the lower back. That's a big one. Getting blood flow. Getting some mobility in there. All right, forearms down. The rocking dolphin. Inhale forward, exhale, smush it back. 5 more times. Full stretch and contraction, but always stretching. One more time. Hold the dolphin. Or heck, do 5 more. I love this. A lot of shoulder mobility. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. 5. Down dog. Take the feet wide again. Stretch. Hold here, or again, do the twist. If you want to add a little bit more, bring the feet further apart. Your beautiful home gym, that is your body. And don't keep these workouts a secret. Share it with your team and your coaches, your teammates, your school. Oh, that's nice. 1 more time each side. Hope the camera's still on. Okay. Feet hip width. Walk the feet forward. It's called the elephant walk. Huge stretch. Soften the knees, forward fold. Arms where you will. Feel the release in the spine. Shake it out. And let's rise up, stacking 1 vertebra at a time. Shake it out. And nothing too fancy. Let's finish with the tree. Open your hip, hands together, heel below or above the knee or on top of the thigh with the ankle. 5 breaths. Focus. The eyes focus. As you exhale, pull the belly button into the spine. And other side. Make with the tree. 5 breaths in the nose and out the nose. Good. Releasing into it, always releasing. Discovering that secret, effortless movement. All right. And beautiful work, my friends. Finish child, or what is this called? Forward fold, and then bring it down to child's pose. Stretch out the back. Please leave your comments below. Check in below.
hit that like button and subscribe to never ever miss a workout.
Excellent work, my friends. Good job. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.
Everybody dance.